Today we're going to talk about integers. Integers are the set of all numbers and their opposites, so that means positive numbers and negative numbers. An opposite of a number is the same distance from 0 on the opposite direction. So for example, the opposite of 5 would be negative 5. Now we're going to talk about adding integers. What we do, if the signs are the same, we're going to add the numbers and keep the sign the same. For example, so we have negative 23 plus negative 52. Now my signs are the same because they're both negative. So all we're doing is adding 23 plus 52, which is 75. Since my signs are the same, they're both negative, our answer is going to be negative. If you look over here, if our signs are not the same, you're going to subtract and take the sign of the larger number. So we have negative 52 plus 23. Our signs are not the same, so I'm going to do 52, change this to a subtraction, so we're changing it. 52 minus 23 is 29. 52 has the negative sign, and 52 is larger, which is why our answer is going to be negative. 52 is bigger than 23, and 52 has the negative sign, so our answer is going to be negative. Now if we looked at subtracting integers, the first step in subtracting integers is to change the subtraction sign to an addition sign. So in my example, negative 8 minus 6, I'm going to change the sign to negative. Now I'm going to change the second sign. This is positive, but I'm going to change the second sign, so I'm going to make it negative. Then we're going to repeat the addition steps. So our addition steps told us that we're going to add 8 plus 6, which is 14. And since both of our signs are the same, they're both negative, we know that we're going to have a negative. So our answer for negative 8 plus negative 6 is negative 14. Then we're going to look at multiplying and dividing. So if our signs are the same, your answer is going to be positive. So take a look at negative 2 times negative 6. Our signs are the same, they're both negative, so we know our answer is going to be positive. So we just multiply 2 times 6, which is 12. Both signs are negative, so our answer is going to be positive. So our answer is just 12. Now, if our signs are not the same, then the answer is negative. So if we look at 12 divided by negative 3, this is negative and this is positive, so our signs are not the same. So we know our answer will be negative. 3 will go into 12 4 times. So 12 divided by negative 3 is negative 4.